So if there's two ways you can come here, and one is through observership, and one is for the clerkship that's hands-on. Those are the only two ways. And it depends on if you've graduated, you actually have a foreign degree, or if you don't. So a lot of the students already know, hey, I'm still in school, or I'm finishing this up. I need this specific wording in the rotation in the clerkship. So what we do is when Shayla or whoever reaches out to you regarding the intake, we're very, very specific on where you are in the process. So that's how we write it. Those are the only two ways you're allowed to come under this medical category of the B1. So it's observership. That means you are observing. It's not supposed to be hands-on. So you come, you do a rotation, and it's all about the wording. So it's not like the officer there is a medical expert. They don't know what a clerkship is versus an observership. They just know these are keywords. This is what we have to look for. These can be approved. And by now, B1s are so common in certain areas and places around the world that produce amazing foreign doctors that they have been coached on that a little bit. So they know. And so clerkships, observationships, those are the key words. One is hands-on, obviously, and it's allowed. But as long as the main point is that you're not getting paid for this. This is, number one, you're not getting paid. Number two, it's for a certain amount of period. And those are the main things. And that's why you're here. And it's going to help you in your medical career.